Welcome back guys, this is Techie Rig. Today, Meizu 17 review. It's not a in-depth review, it's quick review. First look the phone display on sender Meizu 17. Right side Xiaomi Mi 10. On left side Oppo S2. Those all phones come with AMOLED screen, so just compare these phones. Okay, first look the Meizu 17 display. It's come with 6.6 inches Full HD plus resolution AMOLED display with support 9 GHz refresh rate. Display top right corner side tiny punch hole here inside 20 megapixel of the front facing camera. Display wise, those all phones come with AMOLED screen with support 9 GHz refresh rate. Just see guys this video. Meizu 17 and Xiaomi Mi 10 mostly look like same, but S2 little bit color is different. Which one you like guys? I like also all phones. Let's look hardware and software. Meizu 17 running on Android 10 based in Flyme UI 8.1. Flyme UI and ColorOS mostly look like same, nothing big difference. Meizu 17 base model 8GB RAM 128GB variant, higher model 8GB RAM 256GB of the internal storage variant. Starting price 3699 yuan, expected price 37,000 Indian rupees. Let's look processor. Meizu 17 and 17 Pro come with Snapdragon 865 with 5G processor. It's a flagship processor. I have played a lot of the different games with maximum settings. It's run quite good. First I am play PUBG, then QQ Race. This game support 9 GHz refresh rate. Third Aspect 9. One of the most popular racing game in world. Also support maximum settings. Then finally PUBG. Okay, once again I'm show you guys this PUBG support HDR and extreme settings in Meizu 17. Just I'm compare Meizu 17 with Oppo S2 gaming. Two phones run quite good, nothing big difference.
咦，哎呀，开个电啊，现在44%的电，我玩个2、3分钟，看一下电怎么样。第二圈，第二圈。基本上我虽然可能不是第一，但是我们小组加在一块就是第一了。
Let's look battery department. Meizu 17 come with 4500 mAh battery with support 13 watts fast charging. Also Meizu give you box inside 13 watts fast charging adapter. 0 to 100% 1 hour 7 minutes. It's slightly high in 2020. Let's look camera. Okay, first look the camera specs. Phone backside quad camera setup here. Main camera 64 megapixel, secondary 8 megapixel ultra wide, third one 12 megapixel depth, last one 5 megapixel macro. Who need 12 megapixel depth sensor? Personally, I don't know need. Okay, let's look the night mode because it's night time. How is it perform Meizu 17 at night? Okay, I take one shot. Processing time is very low. Okay, once again I'm take another shot at same place. It's quickly take shot. Okay, just I'm show you guys how is the quality. It's looking average. Okay, just I'm zoom in more. Once again, yeah. Okay, what do you think guys? The quality it's good? Yeah, it's average. It's not best. Okay, once again I'm show you guys the place. It okay. Once again I'm take another shot at the same place. Okay, once again I'm show you the shot. Yep. Also it's same, nothing different. Okay, once again I'm take shot. It's not best, but it's average. Okay guys, you need Meizu 17 separate camera test day and night? Comment now. Some samples coming up guys. Watch now.
I shall pray for you.